I'm going to show you how you can enable RTX on Minecraft Bedrock in 2025. First off, you'll have to have one of these graphics card here I'm going to show on the screen right now to be able to run RTX on Minecraft. Now, after that's done, you want to go to the Start menu on the search bar, and then you want to type in Microsoft Store. And then once on the Microsoft Store, you want to click on Minecraft, type in Minecraft, right? And then you want to find the game and install it like you would like any other app. And then you want to run the Xbox Insider Hub app, right? Now, after that's happening, you want to go to Insider Content. Now, on Insider Content, you want to tap on Minecraft under Found Games, right? Now, once that's done, you want to click on Join to become a part of the Windows 10 beta experience. And then after that's done, you want to tap on Install Minecraft for Windows 10 RTX beta. You want to tap on that, and then you want to tap on Done. And then the RTX version of Minecraft will be installed for you. And then if you go ahead and go to the settings in game, you'll see that the RTX settings will be available.